Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the Poco C55 and opening the exact settings area. First, make sure battery and screen access are ready, then go to Settings and tap Control Center and Notification Shade. Once there, you'll see the default layout and a quick settings edit option. Tap Edit or the pencil icon to begin changing tiles. You're doing this to make frequent functions reachable. As you follow along, keep a screenshot of the original layout so you can restore it. Now you'll rearrange and add the tiles that matter. Tap and hold a tile to drag it between positions or swipe it away to remove it. This changes how quickly you access features. To add, tap the plus or Add Tiles area, then pick items like flashlight, screen recorder, or NFC and drag them into the active area. If you prefer a compact view, switch to the 2-column layout. Once done, test the swiping gesture to ensure the control center appears as you expect. Finish by exiting settings and swiping down from the top to check the new control center. You should verify each tile activates its feature. If something fails, return to Edit and re-add or reposition the tile. If the layout looks wrong or tiles overlap, use Reset Layout to restore defaults, then redo the customization quickly. As a final step, reboot the Poco C55 to clear UI cache. This often fixes persistent display glitches and ensures your changes stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.